Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with the video. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. Currently 3 a.m. bros. So today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Trintion 10 pack half inch impact socket set. A deep impact socket set, so they're a bit longer than normal. So that's really good. Metric drive deep socket set with case. Okay, so yeah, these cost £16.39, so they're not very expensive. And I bought this with that, which is separate. So that was £12. It's a breaker bar. You need that if you're going to be taking off alloys that's been machine tightened. But yeah, let's have a look at the product that we're looking at today. Okay, so you need this for taking off your alloys. So if I can find the opening. Oh, there's the opening. Okay, so it comes in a nice like carrying case. Very nice, as you can see. Wow. Wait, am I missing one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 pack, yeah. Looks like there should be one there though, which is very weird. Oh, never mind. They're not in the right sockets, that's why. What size is this? 15. What size is this? 14. So that needs to go there. This needs to go here. Okay, so they do all fit there. It's just my silliness, okay. 19, 21, 22. So you can get different sized ones of these. Okay, there you go. These are all the sockets. They're very high quality, as you can see. So you got your 10 holes there now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got your 10 there. So these are for different size wheels. So I have no clue what size our nuts are, but they're definitely not going to be this big. So I think they'll be around 19 mil. The sockets, either 19 or 21. I don't think they're going to be 17, so it'll be one of these two, I think. So what you do with this is, this end is obviously where your, what do you call it, you put it onto your alloy wheels, and then this end is for whatever you're using to untighten them. So we're going to be using a breaker bar because they're tightened very tight that we can't use a normal thingy for it. So look, this is how it works. So this is a half inch socket on this end. Literally simple as, there you go, simply on there, look at that, and that ain't coming off either. There you go, perfect. And it's called deep socket because it's very long. Can you see? So very long. If it's just a short one like that big, which is good actually, but in some cases where you need very tight spaces, that's why they have these small ones as well, where you don't have very much space. You also got the small ones, but this is a deep socket because we have all the space in the world, because the wheels on the outside obviously they're not. So yeah, so what you do is put it in there, use the breaker, boom, backlat, and then done. So yeah, very good thing. And without this kit, we would not be able to take our alloy wheels off, because we just don't have any tool. We don't have any right tool to take it off. So yeah, you actually need this. There was the sets on available which were about similar price, but you get less of these. I guess you get like 4 or 5. This has a 10 pack for this price, and they're all very good high quality. Look at them, black metal, very heavy, quite heavy, so they feel like they got made out of steel or something, but they're gonna last. They're not gonna bend or nothing, and they can last big forces, so it should be good. So yeah, it is made from steel actually, with a black phosphate coating, which keeps it durable and long service life. Okay, it's got robust design. Okay, let's see. Yes, you can use everything. So in this set you get the 10 mil, 12 mil, 13 mil, 14 mil, 15 mil, 17, 19, 21, 22, 24. So when these are like the main ones that manufacturers use and wheel companies. So out of this 10k, you most likely will have one that will fit your alloy wheels to take them off. So it's not a bad idea. For £16 you actually can't go wrong. Like, I'm very impressed with the quality of it. I can tell that this ain't gonna break anytime soon or nothing, and it doesn't look like it's gonna rust anything, so all is good. Wow, look how nice that is. So yeah, Dash. I think this is for bikes or something. Look how tiny they are. But yeah, you can use this for other stuff as well, like whatever nuts these fit in. 10 mils, very small ones, you know. So yeah, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Highly recommend this kit. Leave a link in the description if I can find it. Hopefully I can again. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my videos. I'll be using this in one of my breakable videos or whatever. And yeah, stay tuned. We're going to be changing Labib's alloys on his Astra. So stay tuned for that. Goodbye.